throw.
Pakistan, Arshad Nadeem.
Well, find me a happier man in the city of Birmingham at this moment in time. Arshad Nadeem of Pakistan, 90 metres and 18. Got his lead back in round 5 after that personal best in round 1 of 86.81. A games record for the Pakistan athletes, a record that has stood since 1998. The first ever gold for Pakistan in this event. It's their only medal that they achieved here in Birmingham.
For those who are able to, please stand. For the
5th at the
anthem
World
of
Championships
Pakistan.
recently, 5th at the Olympics, and now gold for Arshad Nadeem here in Birmingham at the Commonwealth Games. Well, 32 different nations have won medals here in Birmingham, in the athletics, in the Alexander Stadium. Pakistan is one of them, courtesy of their javelin champion, Arshad Nadeem.